Introducing the 2024 Audi A6 Limousine, A6 40 TDI, S-Line 5 door auto in sleek grey. This dynamic vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and is registered new in 2024. Packed with top-of-the-line comfort and accessories features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and voice control. Safety is top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. Stylish touches include a chrome package and door sill protector. Plus, benefit from an anti-corrosion warranty, self-driving capabilities, and more. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty. Contact us today at burnscarsales.ie for more information.